Dream brings possibilities and positivity. Dream is an idea that gives you vibrations. Dream is an idea that keeps you moving. Dream is an idea that inspires you to be what you really want to be. Dream complements your strength. Dream is planted by Almighty God in a deserving mind. And when deserving mind starts the journey to realize the dream, he will feel the power of God that is taking him ahead. Yes, the journey is not easy. Temporary setbacks, difficulties, problems, pains, sufferings, and frustrations are on your way naturally. These are to test your faith in your idea, to test your faith in yourself, to test your faith in God. Hope, hard work, sweat, tears, blood, discipline, determination, persistence, and your commitment, your continuous efforts are the pillars. Please keep strengthening your pillars. Move on, rethink, redesign, restructure, reorganize, and rise. Remind your mind that you are much, much bigger than all the obstacles. On the way to your journey, each day may bring uncertainty. The plans may not work as they were supposed to be. People may shift. Pressure may build on. But still, you have to keep on moving. Aspire to accomplish your dream. And surprisingly, along the journey, you will receive support from unexpected sources. The support can be in the form of the right skill set. It can be resources. It can be sphere of influencing people. It can be the same kind of a dreamer who has achieved his dreams. A great soul. And you are on your journey of a bumpy ride. You are going on, and a day will arrive. There will be a sunrise. You will be showered with stunning success. Your plans will work. You will feel that your work is now established. Your strategies are bringing results, and you feel that you have reached on the top of mountain. And here I want to conclude that it is not you who has cultivated the dream, but it is a dream who has shaped you up and transformed you from where you were to what you are today. Let me also summarize the process of realizing dream. Dream, decide, dare, and do. The fifth and most important is keep on doing. Keep on moving. Repeat your small successes, and the realization of dream is on the way. तेज हवाओं में उड़ते हैं जो परिंदे, तेज हवाओं में उड़ते हैं जो परिंदे, उनके पर नहीं हौसले मजबूत होते हैं. Wishing you a great dream, successful life. Take care, stay safe. Signing out, Amit Doshi. Thank you.